There is at the behest of the Chief Minister. So I think we'll be discussing that tomorrow. By tomorrow morning, things should be clear.
So you're happy that now this is the second time, now with the new Chief Minister and probably new equations, new how you looking forward.
When the government was built up, it was with one agenda that the government was built with the subject with Mr. Manohar Parrikar coming as a Chief Minister. We wouldn't predict the future. Unfortunately, things after 1 year did not go well because of the health of the Chief Minister. 1 year he has struggled, but in spite of that, he kept the administration on, tried to get the things moving, kept his pen on till the last minute. So I think whatever legacy he's carried, whatever he's wanting to do or we have wanting to do together as a promise to the state of Goa, I think we need to carry and deliver it. The 2 years of governance, what we have taken and what we need to ensure that the promises are kept, I think that needs to be delivered, for which we need to have continuity and stability, on which we are supporting this particular BJP-led government.
Past 6 months, there have been a lot of ups and downs in the bureaucracy, So how do you look?
We need to nip the thing in the bud, because certain things have the leadership weakness was there for the last 2-3 months because of the health of the Chief Minister, which was misused by certain bureaucrats. I think those few things need to be fine-tuned, which we have been discussed with the party and the rest of them, which we need to tune in, because the interest of the state is more important than the interest of the bureaucrats. So we need to ensure that whatever is promised is delivered rightly, legally. We are not asking for anything which is off the thing, but whatever is required, I don't think obstructions or red tapeism should be there. And this is one topic which we have discussed at length, and we would want these things to be put in place on priority. Now, since we have a new Chief Minister coming and the team working again, I think the continuance will have a lot of effect, and we will see that whatever promises have been there will be delivered.
See, promises, like people, everybody knows that this has to be done, that is it. But the review is the thing that has been missing. There has been no review.
See, you need to have a proper governance. Governance includes a lot of things. So each minister must be trying his own to ensure that the departments he holds, he performs. And I think that joint performance or teamwork allows good governance to be seen by all. That's what is the objective, and that's what we will try and deliver.
Thank you.